Let's learn about plotting integers and rational points. Plot the following points on the coordinate plane. We have 3, -4, -2, 5.5, 0, 0, -2, -3.5, and 4.5, 2. So let's get a coordinate plane right here for us to plot our points. We go to a -6. That's the lowest negative, and positive is like a 5.5 somewhere. So let's just go -7 and +7 in all directions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So let's go plot all of our points. Our first one is 3, -4. That's going to be our x, y here. So when x is 3, our y is -4, and that's about right here. That's 3, -4. -2, 5.5. When x is -2, y is a +5.5. That's between 5 and 6, so that's about right here. -2, 5.5, right there. Our next point here, 0, 0, origin, it's going to be right here in the middle. We have that 0, 0, right there. Here we have -6, -3.5. So x is -6. Y is a -3.5 between -3 and -4. So that's about right here. So -6, -3.5. And lastly, 4.5, 2. X is a 4.5 between 4 and 5. Up to 2. That's about here. It's a little sloped over, but right there. 4.5, 2. So there we have it. We've plotted the following points on the coordinate plane. We got them all right here for us. I hope you learned something here about plotting integer and rational points. And as always, thanks for watching.